Hey family and friends, Casey here with 2290 Tax with an updated video reminder about how to e-file using 2290 Tax. If it's the first time using our website, you'll register here, more than likely as an individual filer. An individual filer means you're filing and paying your own taxes. You're not paid to prepare someone else's. A paid preparer and a fleet manager are typically people who are paid to prepare taxes for others. There's other videos that cover that. We're talking about individuals here. So click Begin Registration and fill in the blanks. Once they're filled in, just click Continue. That takes you to step 2 of the registration, which you also need to fill in. Once it's all filled in, click Finish Registration, and you're in. This is the dashboard. Click right here to e-file your taxes online, and choose the option on the left to e-file online now. Our 2290 calculator upload over here is really for people who have a large number of trucks, but if you have less than 25, it's better to just go through our online steps. Now notice on the top here, we'll show you your progress as you go. So this is a 6-step filing process, and you're just going to do each step one at a time. Answer the questions like your first grade homework. Where it asks for a name, give a name. Where it asks for a title, give a title. We try to keep it simple. This PIN is any 5-digit number you choose. Most people use a zip code or something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no wrong answer. It does not have to match from year to year. Again, just keep it simple. Once you're down here to the bottom, click Save and Continue. Step 2 here is where you're going to choose your tax date and enter your VIN numbers. So first you want to look at the tax year and make sure you choose the one that's right for you. If you have a question about this, please call us. Don't guess. Please call us for help. Enter in your unit number, which is only for your reference if you use them. Enter in your full 17-digit VIN number and your vehicle's weight. This is the gross weight when the vehicle is fully loaded, so it includes the tractor, the trailer, and the load. Then just answer these questions. Are you a suspended vehicle going to do less than 5,000 miles? You can say yes. I'm not, so I'm going to say no. And logging here has to do with cutting down trees. So if you don't do that exclusively, then the answer for that one is no as well. Once all your VINs are typed in, save and continue. Now this step looks scary, but I promise it's not. Read through the questions and call us for clarification if you need it. Most people leave all the answers as no and just save and continue. Now here we are where you can choose your IRS payment method. Choose credit or debit card if you want to put your taxes on your credit card and get the whole thing handled with one charge. Choose bank account if you want to put taxes on an ACH from your account. Choose manual if you'd like to send the IRS a check in the mail or use your own account at EFTPS.gov. Be sure to grab your voucher down here. Whatever method you choose, when you're done, go ahead and click Save and Continue. Now step 5 here is your review. This is your last chance to go back and make corrections to anything that's not right. You want to look for typos, you want to make sure all your trucks are present and nothing is here that shouldn't be. Review your tax amount, review your tax documents, and check these 2 checkboxes. If you'd like to send an extra email to somebody else, simply say yes here and enter in that email or fax. Finally, if you'd like a text message when your stamp Schedule 1 is ready to let you know to check your email, go ahead and enter your cell phone number in here. When this page is done, save and continue. Now the last step here is how you're going to pay for my filing fee. Enter in your information like you would in any other shopping cart and approve and submit. When you click Approve and Submit, that's when this is going to go to the IRS. You'll receive your stamp Schedule 1 in 15-20 minutes via email, and that is it. Call us with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more 2290 tips and tricks.